There is your Sun, the Valley Skycam capturing a gorgeous sunset. If only that firing ball of gas up there would heat us up just a little bit more. It is frigid out there, and once again, we have concerns about wind chill across the valley. Many of us sub-zero all day, including here in Fargo, where it's 7 below. Feels like 20 below. The wind is only 6 miles per hour, so it doesn't take a lot of wind to impact those wind chill values when we get this cold. The coldest air, northwest Minnesota into the northern valley and the Devil's Lake Basin, where we have a lot of teens below zero. 8 below right now in Grand Forks, 6 below in Gwinnett, and the hot spot down in Sisseton and in Aberdeen. Jamestown, though, not too bad for North Dakota. It's a balmy 5 below zero there. Bemidji, 10 below for Babe the Blue Ox. Here's the wind chill values currently. 20 below or colder for many across parts of western Minnesota and the Red River Valley. And look at Langdon, 29 below, your latest wind chill. Now, this I'm showing because it impacts our forecast. The regional temperatures show here's this cold air blob centered over northern Minnesota. Things are much warmer. It's 31 above in Rapid City. So it's basically 40 degrees warmer there on the western side of South Dakota. And that's where we have clouds and we have a few snow showers. A system is going to bring some snow for our weekend, but not now and not tonight. We'll go over that in a minute. But right now, let's talk about this wind chill stuff, because this evening it's going to be brutal out there. Early temperature drop-offs, thanks to clear skies and light winds, are going to allow actual air temperatures to dip into the 20s below zero. This morning, as you saw earlier in the show, some of you in northern Minnesota hit the 30s below, all the way down to Park Rapids. That's possible again. But as we head through the deep overnight hours, there'll be a few clouds and maybe even a flurry or two out to the west on that boundary with the warmer air. And if that happens, we'll see some of your temperatures out west warm up a little bit. We're going to be generally in the teens to 20s below to start our day, with wind chills again between 25 and 45 below zero first thing on your Saturday morning. By midday, some of these clouds start to increase out to the west. That's a good thing, because those clouds radiate energy and it will warm up a little bit out there. But it looks like another sub-zero day for many in northern Minnesota. As we head into the evening hours, it looks like we cool off, but not as cold. Here's a photo uploaded by my friend Tyler. Thanks for sharing this. Fosston, Minnesota. Early morning sunrise. Beautiful indeed, and it even looks chilly. Now, let's talk about the 7-day planner. Sunday, we're going to have snow making its way in. In the western Dakotas, there could be rain, there could be ice, and wind as well. Accumulation of snow is also likely. Now, as we go into Monday, we'll be cold once again with north winds blowing as the snow exits. And then another Arctic air mass that will be the coldest in years will march in, and we'll have and challenge record lows, 30 to 40 below actual air temperatures into the middle of next week. Here's how Sunday looks, getting going midday to Monday morning. And these amounts I don't want you to staple in your head yet, because snowfall forecasts are changing. But significant snow in excess of 3 to 6 inches is possible for some. And then this is next week's Arctic blob. You can see how low that purple air moves in, and that's that 20s and 30s below. It's going to be quite brutal out there for the next several days, Andrea. So if I could knit, I would knit me a sweater, but maybe I'd sit back and watch this through the window, because it does look nice. You're right. The sun does make a difference.
See? Yeah, I knew it.
Right.
I just wanted you to admit it within this half hour.
I just wanted to prepare everybody for the great news I had about our extended winter stay.
It's wicked. Yeah.
Yes.
Thanks, Hud.